morning. My name is Nitin Jindal. I am the director and partner at Jindal Medi. We are manufacturers and exporters of orthopedic medical devices. Today, I'm not going to talk about any products. Rather, I will be talking about our story, which has a 75-year-old legacy. The business was started by my grandfather, late Shri Radhakrishnan Jindal. He started with the manufacturing of bandages. It was a humble beginning, but a very strong one. The business then moved forward to my father, Mr. Manmohan Jindal. He started manufacturing capsules and exporting medicines all over the world. And today, it's been 18 years. I've been in this business, manufacturing orthopedic implants, instruments, and external fixators. Um, it's been an interesting journey, and in 18 years, we have exported to more than 40 countries, delivered, I think, more than 18,000 plus orders, implanted more than 9 million products. Uh, what is more interesting is 50% of our clients buys on OEM basis from us, which itself shows that the clients trust on us. And this type of trust doesn't come easily, and we do not take it lightly. One more point is 90% of our production is being exported worldwide, which shows the quality and the reliability we are offering. With the help of this video, I would like to say thank you to our current clients, and would like to invite any surgeons, hospitals, government institutes, distributors, or anyone related to orthopedic or surgical products to connect with us. You can see our contact details on the in the video itself, at the end of the video or in the description column. I thank you, and I'll see you in my next. Bye bye. Take care.